Informatica Big Data Management Online Training. Introduction to Informatica Big Data Management, BDM. Informatica Big Data Management, BDM, is a comprehensive solution designed to integrate, manage, and govern big data at scale. It enables organizations to efficiently ingest, process, cleanse, master, govern, and secure big data across various platforms and environments. Here are some key aspects of Informatica BDM. Data integration. BDM provides robust data integration capabilities, allowing organizations to ingest data from various sources such as databases, Hadoop, cloud sources, and streaming data sources. Data quality and governance. It includes data quality features to ensure that the data being integrated is accurate, complete, and consistent. Governance capabilities help in managing data lineage, metadata, and compliance requirements. Scalability and performance. BDM is designed to handle large volumes of data efficiently, leveraging distributed processing capabilities for scalability and performance optimizations. Unified platform. It offers a unified platform where users can design, deploy, and monitor data integration workflows and data pipelines across hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Support for big data technologies. BDM supports integration with various big data technologies such as Apache Hadoop, Spark, Kafka, and NoSQL databases, enabling seamless data processing and analytics. Operational efficiency. By automating data integration tasks and providing monitoring and management tools, BDM helps improve operational efficiency and reduce time to insight for data-driven decision-making. Architecture and components of BDM. Informatica Big Data Management, BDM, is a comprehensive solution designed to integrate, govern, and secure big data across various platforms. Here are the key architecture and components of Informatica Big Data Management. Architecture. Data integration layer. Informatica Power Center forms the core of the data integration layer, providing capabilities for data integration, transformation, and movement across different sources and targets. Big Data Edition. Extension of Power Center optimized for big data environments, capable of processing large volumes of data in Hadoop clusters. Data governance and security layer. Informatica Data Quality. IDQ ensures data quality by profiling, cleansing, and enriching data across the enterprise. Informatica Axon provides data governance capabilities, ensuring compliance with regulations and policies. Metadata management. Informatica Enterprise Data Catalog, EDC centralized metadata repository that indexes and catalogs data assets across the enterprise, providing a unified view for data discovery and lineage. Master Data Management, MDM. Informatica MDM manages and governs master data domains such as customer, product, or supplier data, ensuring consistency and accuracy across the organization. Security and privacy. Informatica Secure at Source monitors and protects sensitive data across the enterprise, ensuring compliance with data privacy regulations. Components. Informatica Big Data Management, BDM. Developer Tool, GUI-based tool for designing data integration workflows and mappings. Execution Engine, executes data integration jobs on Hadoop clusters, leveraging MapReduce, Spark, or other processing frameworks. Informatica Data Integration Hub, DIH, centralizes and manages the distribution of data across various systems, ensuring consistency and reliability. Informatica Big Data Parser parses and processes complex data formats such as JSON, Avro, and Parquet, enabling integration with diverse big data sources. Informatica Data Engineering Integration, DE, provides capabilities for data preparation, data engineering, and data pipeline orchestration on big data platforms. Informatica Data Quality, IDQ, cleanses, standardizes, and enriches data to ensure its quality and reliability for downstream processing and analytics. Informatica Enterprise Data Catalog, EDC, catalogs and indexes metadata from various sources, providing a comprehensive view of data assets across the organization. Informatica Master Data Management, MDM, manages master data entities, example customer, product, to ensure consistency and accuracy across enterprise systems. Data integration and processing with BDM. Data integration and processing with BDM, big data management, typically involves handling large volumes of data across various sources, transforming it, and loading it into a target system for analysis or storage. Informatica Big Data Management, BDM, is a comprehensive solution designed to streamline these processes, offering capabilities like data integration, data quality, data governance, and metadata management across big data environments. Key aspects of data integration and processing with BDM include data integration, bringing together data from diverse sources such as databases, applications, files, and big data platforms. Data transformation, converting raw data into a usable format for analytics or other applications, often involving cleaning, aggregating, and enriching data. Data quality, ensuring data accuracy, consistency, and completeness throughout the integration and processing pipeline. Metadata management, managing metadata to provide context and understanding of data lineage, relationships, and usage. Performance optimization, tuning processing workflows and data pipelines to achieve optimal performance and scalability. Informatica BDM leverages technologies like Spark and Hadoop to process and manage big data effectively, offering both batch and real-time processing capabilities. It's used in various industries for data warehousing, analytics, IoT data management, and more. If you have specific questions or scenarios you're interested in exploring further, feel free to ask. Real-time data integration capabilities. Real-time data integration refers to the process of continuously ingesting and processing data as it becomes available with minimal latency. This capability is crucial in modern data environments where timely and accurate data is essential for making informed decisions. Here are some key aspects and technologies involved in real-time data integration. Change data capture, CDC techniques capture data changes, inserts, updates, deletes from source systems in near real time, enabling these changes to be replicated to target systems promptly. Event-driven architecture, EDA allows systems to react to events in real time. Data integration can leverage event-driven patterns to trigger actions based on data changes or events occurring in source systems. Streaming data platforms like Apache Kafka, Amazon Kinesis, or Google Cloud PubSub provide scalable and resilient messaging systems for handling real-time data streams. These platforms facilitate data ingestion, processing, and distribution in real time. Data replication and synchronization, tools and technologies that support real-time data replication and synchronization ensure that data remains consistent across multiple systems or databases in near real time. In-memory computing, technologies like Apache Ignite or Redis enable high-speed data processing and caching, which are essential for real-time analytics and data integration scenarios. Complex event processing, CEP systems analyze and correlate large volumes of incoming data streams to identify patterns or events of interest in real time, enabling immediate actions or responses. Microservices and APIs. Microservices architecture coupled with RESTful APIs facilitates real-time data access and integration between different services or systems. Data pipelines and ETL, extract, transform, load. Modern ETL tools and platforms support real-time data pipelines, allowing organizations to transform and load data continuously as it arrives, ensuring up-to-date analytics and reporting. Data governance and metadata management in BDM. In Informatica Big Data Management, BDM, data governance and metadata management are crucial components for ensuring data quality, compliance, and efficient data utilization. Here's how they typically work in BDM. Data governance. Policies and standards. Establishing data governance policies and standards ensures that data is managed according to regulatory requirements and organizational guidelines. Data quality. Implementing mechanisms to monitor and maintain data quality throughout its life cycle, ensuring accuracy, completeness, and consistency. Access control. Managing who has access to data and ensuring that access rights are aligned with organizational policies and regulations. Metadata management. Metadata repository. BDM uses a centralized metadata repository to store comprehensive information about data assets, including schemas, transformations, lineage, and relationships. Data lineage, tracking the origins, transformations, and movements of data across various systems and processes, ensuring transparency and accountability. Impact analysis, assessing the potential impact of changes to data assets, such as schema modifications or updates, on downstream processes and applications. Metadata integration, integrating metadata from various sources and systems to provide a unified view of data across the enterprise. Data cataloging. Cataloging data assets. BDM facilitates the cataloging of data assets, making it easier for users to discover and understand available data resources. Metadata enrichment. Enhancing metadata with business context and technical details to facilitate effective data usage and governance. Compliance and auditing. Regulatory compliance, ensuring that data management practices adhere to regulatory requirements such as GDPR, CCPA, HIPAA, etc. Auditing. Conducting audits to verify compliance with data governance policies and regulations, and to track usage and modifications of data assets. In summary, Data governance and metadata management in Informatica BDM are essential for organizations aiming to maintain data integrity, optimize data usage, ensure compliance, and support informed decision-making processes. These capabilities are designed to support complex data environments and enable effective management of data assets across the enterprise. Security and compliance features of BDM. Informatica Big Data Management, BDM, includes several security and compliance features designed to ensure data protection and regulatory adherence. Here are some key features. Data encryption. BDM supports encryption of data at rest and in transit using industry-standard encryption algorithms. This ensures that sensitive data is protected both within the system and during transmission. Access control. Role-based access control, RBAC, allows administrators to define fine-grained access policies. This ensures that only authorized users have access to specific data and operations within BDM. Audit and monitoring. BDM provides audit logs and monitoring capabilities to track user activities, system access, and data operations. This helps in maintaining compliance with regulatory requirements and detecting unauthorized access or activities. Data masking. BDM includes data masking capabilities to anonymize sensitive information. This is useful for scenarios where data needs to be shared with third parties or used for testing without exposing sensitive details. Data quality and governance. BDM includes features for data quality assessment, profiling, and governance. This helps in ensuring data integrity, consistency, and compliance with organizational policies and regulatory standards. Metadata management. Comprehensive metadata management capabilities in BDM enable tracking and lineage of data throughout its life cycle. This is crucial for compliance audits, data lineage analysis, and ensuring data governance. Integration with security frameworks. BDM integrates with enterprise security frameworks and identity management systems, facilitating centralized security management and authentication. Compliance with regulations. BDM supports compliance with various data protection regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, CCPA, etc. It provides tools and features that assist organizations in adhering to regulatory requirements related to data storage, processing, and access. Scalability and high availability in BDM. Scalability and high availability are crucial aspects in Informatica Big Data Management, BDM, to ensure optimal performance and continuous operation. Here's how BDM addresses these. Scalability. BDM supports scalability by allowing you to scale out horizontally. This means you can add more nodes to the environment as data volumes or processing requirements grow. Key components like the Data Integration Service, DIS, and the Data Integration Service Process, DIP, can be configured to run on multiple nodes, distributing the workload and improving performance. High availability. To achieve high availability, BDM employs several strategies. Node level ensures that individual nodes in the cluster are redundant, so if one node fails, another can take over its workload without disruption. Service level services like this can be configured in a clustered setup, where multiple instances of the service are active at any given time. If one instance fails, Others continue to handle requests. Load balancing. BDM integrates with load balancers to evenly distribute traffic across multiple instances, preventing overload on any single component and improving overall reliability. Fault tolerance. BDM includes mechanisms for fault tolerance, such as automatic restarts of services on failure and data replication across nodes to ensure data integrity and availability even in the event of hardware or software failures. Monitoring and management. Comprehensive monitoring tools help administrators track performance metrics, detect bottlenecks, and proactively manage the environment to ensure scalability and availability goals are met. Challenges and solutions in implementing BDM. Challenges. Complexity of big data environments. Big data ecosystems often consist of diverse data sources, formats, and processing requirements, leading to complexity in integration and management. Data security and governance. Ensuring data privacy, compliance with regulations like GDPR, and maintaining data quality across large datasets are critical challenges. Performance optimization. Processing large volumes of data efficiently while maintaining performance and scalability can be challenging, especially in distributed computing environments. Integration with existing systems. Integrating BDM with existing IT infrastructure, including legacy systems and cloud platforms, requires careful planning and execution. Skill gap. Implementing BDM requires specialized skills in big data technologies, Informatica tools, and understanding of data governance principles. Solutions. Comprehensive planning and design. Conduct a thorough assessment of data sources, processing requirements, and integration points. Develop a clear roadmap and architecture that aligns with business goals. Data governance framework. Implement robust data governance policies and frameworks to ensure data quality, security, and compliance. Use Informatica BDM features for metadata management and data lineage. Performance tuning and optimization. Utilize Informatica's performance tuning capabilities and best practices for optimizing data processing workflows. Leverage cluster management and resource allocation features effectively. Integration strategies. Adopt flexible integration strategies such as APIs, connectors, and standardized formats to seamlessly connect BDM with existing systems and cloud services. Training and skill development. Invest in training programs and certifications for IT teams to enhance their skills in Informatica BDM, big data technologies, and data governance practices. Continuous monitoring and improvement. Establish monitoring tools and processes to track data flows, performance metrics, and compliance. Implement regular audits and optimizations to improve efficiency and reliability. Cross-platform integration with BDM. Cross-platform integration with BDM, big data management, typically involves integrating data and processes across multiple systems, platforms, or environments to enable seamless data flow and management. Here are some key aspects and strategies for achieving cross-platform integration with BDM. Connectivity and compatibility. Ensure that the BDM platform supports connectors or adapters for various data sources and destinations. This includes traditional databases, data lakes, cloud services like AWS S3, Azure Blob Storage, and other big data platforms. Data formats and standards. Standardize data formats and adhere to industry standards like JSON, XML, Parquet, Avro to facilitate interoperability between different systems. BDM often provides tools to transform data into compatible formats. APIs and SDKs. Leverage APIs, application programming interfaces, and SDKs, software development kits, provided by BDM vendors to programmatically integrate with other platforms. This allows for custom integration solutions tailored to specific needs. Event-driven architecture. Implement event-driven architectures where changes or events in one system trigger actions in another. Technologies like Apache Kafka or AWS Kinesis can facilitate real-time data streaming and event processing across platforms. Data governance and security. Ensure compliance with data governance policies and implement robust security measures, encryption, access controls when integrating across platforms to protect sensitive data. Orchestration and automation. Use workflow orchestration tools, example Apache Airflow, Apache NiFi, or BDM's built-in workflow capabilities to automate data integration processes. This reduces manual effort and ensures consistency. Monitoring and performance tuning. Monitor integration processes to identify bottlenecks or performance issues early on. Use BDM's monitoring tools or integrate with external monitoring solutions for comprehensive visibility. Metadata management. Centralize metadata management to track data lineage, quality, and usage across integrated platforms. This helps maintain data integrity and enables easier troubleshooting. Scalability and resilience. Design integration solutions that can scale horizontally and handle failures gracefully. Consider fault-tolerant architectures and mechanisms for recovering from errors automatically. Future trends and innovations in BDM. Future trends and innovations in big data management, BDM, are shaping up to be quite exciting. Here are some key areas to watch. AI and machine learning integration. BDM platforms are increasingly incorporating AI and machine learning capabilities to automate data integration, cleansing, and enrichment processes. This trend aims to enhance data quality and decision-making capabilities. Real-time data processing. There is a growing demand for real-time data processing and analytics. BDM tools are evolving to support streaming data ingestion, processing, and analysis to enable businesses to make faster decisions based on up-to-the-minute information. Data governance and privacy. With increasing regulations like GDPR and CCPA, BDM solutions are focusing more on robust data governance frameworks. Innovations include automated metadata management, data lineage tracking, and enhanced privacy controls. Cloud-native and hybrid deployments. BDM platforms are increasingly designed to operate in cloud-native environments, supporting hybrid and multi-cloud deployments. This flexibility allows organizations to leverage both on-premises and cloud resources seamlessly. Integration with IoT and edge computing. As IoT devices proliferate, BDM systems are adapting to handle massive volumes of data generated at the edge. Integration with edge computing platforms enables real-time analytics and decision-making at the edge of the network. Self-service data preparation. BDM tools are moving towards empowering business users with self-service capabilities for data preparation and integration. This trend aims to reduce reliance on IT teams and accelerate time to insight for business stakeholders. Data catalogs and discovery. Innovations in BDM include advanced data cataloging and discovery features. AI-powered data catalogs help users find, understand, and trust data assets across the enterprise, promoting data-driven decision-making. Containerization and microservices. BDM platforms are increasingly adopting containerization and microservices architectures. This trend improves scalability, agility, and resource utilization, especially in cloud and hybrid environments. Blockchain for data integrity. Blockchain technology is being explored for enhancing data integrity and security in BDM. It can provide a decentralized and immutable ledger for tracking data provenance and ensuring data authenticity. Augmented data management. This emerging trend involves using AI and machine learning to augment human capabilities in data management tasks, such as anomaly detection, pattern recognition, and predictive analytics. How does BDM integrate with existing data environments? Informatica Big Data Management, BDM, integrates with existing data environments through several key capabilities. Connectivity. BDM provides a wide range of connectors and adapters that enable it to connect to various data sources and targets. These connectors support both traditional databases like Oracle, SQL Server, and big data platforms such as Hadoop, Spark, Kafka. Data ingestion. BDM allows ingestion of data from different sources into big data environments. It supports batch processing as well as real-time streaming data ingestion, ensuring flexibility based on your data needs. Data integration. BDM facilitates the integration of data from disparate sources. It can transform, cleanse, and enrich data before loading it into the target systems. This capability ensures that data is unified and consistent across the organization. Data quality. Ensuring data quality is crucial for meaningful analytics and decision-making. BDM includes features for data profiling, cleansing, and validation to improve and maintain data quality throughout the integration process. Metadata management. BDM provides robust metadata management capabilities. It captures and manages metadata across various data sources and transformations, enabling better governance, lineage tracking, and impact analysis. Scalability and performance. Given its integration with big data platforms like Hadoop and Spark, BDM can leverage their scalability and processing power. This allows it to handle large volumes of data and perform complex transformations efficiently. Monitoring and management. BDM offers tools for monitoring data integration jobs, performance tuning, and managing workflows. This ensures that data processes are optimized and can be easily monitored and controlled. Why choose ProExcellency for Informatica Big Data Management online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Informatica Big Data Management online training can be advantageous for several reasons. Expertise in Informatica. ProExcellency specializes in Informatica technologies, ensuring that their training programs are comprehensive and up-to-date with the latest features and best practices. Experienced trainers. They typically have trainers who are industry experts with practical experience in implementing Informatica solutions. This ensures that the training is not just theoretical but also practical and applicable to real-world scenarios. Customized training programs. ProExcellency often offers customized training programs tailored to different levels of expertise and specific business needs. This can be particularly beneficial if you have a team with varying skill levels or need training that aligns closely with your organization's goals. Hands-on learning. Their training often includes hands-on exercises and practical assignments, allowing participants to gain practical experience in using Informatica tools and handling real data scenarios. Flexibility and accessibility. Online training through ProExcellency provides flexibility in terms of scheduling, allowing participants to learn at their own pace and from anywhere in the world without the need for travel. Certification preparation. They may offer certification preparation courses, which can be valuable if you are aiming to get certified in Informatica Big Data Management. Thank you.